Welcome back to Monarch Monday. This is our 16th book. Can you believe it? I've got another great nonfiction book for you. Kids and adults both love animals, but the animals in this book are the cutest. The book is called Cute as an Axolotl, and it features some of the cutest animals around. You will learn so much from this book. This is the third book in the World of Weird Animals collection series. Please enjoy the book. The World of Weird Animals, Cute as an Axolotl by Jess Keating with illustrations by David DeGrand. Think you know cute? Turn the page to see some of the world's cutest animals in a whole new light. Our first animal is as cute as an axolotl. Now there's a lot of information on the page. On the right page, you will see that there's a paragraph of text. There's also some fun facts in the center in like a little blob colored cutout. And then on the right hand side, there's also facts about the animal. So you can read it in many different ways. For today, I'm going to only be reading the paragraph text that is in white print. But you can always stop the video and read some of the other parts on your own. Here we go. Cute as an axolotl. The axolotl is one of the most adorable creatures around, but don't mistake it for just a cute face. These aquatic salamanders are masters of regeneration. If an axolotl loses a limb trying to escape a predator, it can simply grow it back. Sometimes it will even repair the damaged limb and grow a new one, leaving it with an extra arm or leg. As if that wasn't awesome enough, it can also regenerate its spine and jaws and parts of its brain. Cute as a quackle. With its perma smile and fuzzy face, the quokka is fast becoming one of the world's best-known cutie pies. Tourists travel for miles just to get a quokka selfie, but is the quokka really smiling? Quokka scientists believe that wide grin isn't really a smile. It's just the quokka's resting face, but it's still pretty adorable. Cute as a fairy penguin. Standing at roughly a foot tall, the fairy penguin is the tiniest penguin on Earth. You might be familiar with the sight of penguins surrounded by snow, but these little guys live in mild, sunny regions on the southern coast of Australia and in New Zealand. Fairy penguins are also diurnal, heading out to sea at dawn under the cover of darkness. To further protect against predators, the little penguins always move together as a flock. Cute as a pom-pom crab. What makes this crab cute? The pom-poms, of course. But you won't see those pom-poms at a football game. They are actually anemones. Each crab holds 2 anemones with its shell heads, using them to ward off predators. If a hungry fish comes along, the crab wildly waves and shakes its pom-poms in the air. Cute as a rosy maple moth. The rosy maple moth is one of the prettiest moths around, but that pink and yellow fuzz isn't just for looks. This moth is also an incredibly efficient pollinator. Every time the moth lands on a flower in its search for a mate, that coat of dense fuzz collects huge amounts of pollen. By transferring these pollens to other flowers, the moth helps plant species reproduce and survive. Cute as a pangolin. First thing first, no, this is not a walking pine cone. The pangolin is the world's only scaled mammal. These scales are made of keratin, which is the same stuff that makes up your hair and nails. But one of the coolest parts of the pangolin is hidden. Its tongue, used for slurping insects, can be longer than its body. Unlike your tongue, which connects to the back of your mouth, the pangolin's tongue connects to its pelvis. Cute as a bare-hearted glass frog. Why call it the bare-hearted glass frog? The answer may be weirder than you think. This unique frog has transparent skin on its underside, so you can easily spot its heart, liver, and intestines from the outside. Imagine if you can see your lunch in your belly. Cute as a pygmy hippopotamus. This miniature mammal might look like a pint-sized version of its larger cousin, but the pygmy hippo is a creature all its own. Found in only 4 countries of West Africa, this forest-dwelling, bath-loving animal is nocturnal, spending most of its time gnashing on leaves, roots, and fruit. When it does decide to swim, the pygmy hippo closes strong, muscular valves in its nose and ears to keep out water. Cute as a bee fly. It's a bee. It's a fly. No, it's a bee fly. And this flying puffball gets its name from its remarkable resemblance to bees, though it is all fly. Its long, needle-like proboscis looks like a stinger, but the bee fly doesn't use it for defense. Instead, it uses it like a straw to suck up flower nectar, making this bee mimic harmless to humans. Cute as a dwarf flying squirrel. What has an adorable face and some epic flight gear? Meet the Japanese dwarf flying squirrel. Despite its name, it can't really fly. Rather, it employs a membrane called a patagum, which stretches like wings between its front paws and its ankles. This allows it to leap into the air, gliding from tree to tree. By gliding, this squirrel can cover huge distances in the air. Cute as a blue dragon. No, it's not a figment of your imagination or a character in a video game. The blue dragon is the real deal and shares its scientific name with the ancient Greek sea god Glaucus. This squishy blue nudibranch could sit on your fingertips, but don't touch it. The blue dragon eats venomous creatures like the Portuguese man of war. But instead of getting sick, it stores their venom in its skin and becomes toxic itself. Cute as a dik-dik. The dik-dik is one of the world's smallest antelopes, standing just over a foot tall. It makes its home in parts of eastern Africa, where the weather can grow very hot. To stay cool, the dik-dik is armed with a special proboscis. By panting through this enlarged nose, dik-diks cool off quickly. Curious about that weird name? The dik-dik is named for the squeaky alarm call females make when disturbed. Cute as a pygmy rabbit. Nearly 2 decades ago, pygmy rabbits were nearly extinct, with only 30 animals found in the wild. Thanks to captive breeding programs, these little bundles of fur are making a small rebound. To protect their babies, female pygmy rabbits bury them in shallow burrows, using their long claws to dig into the ground. After a day of eating, the female returns and unbury their kids, nurse them, and rebury them again. This lasts for 2 weeks until the baby rabbits can fend for themselves. Cute as a minute leaf chameleon. Measuring just over an inch long, the minute leaf chameleon is easy to miss, but hard to forget. It lives only in a small region of Madagascar, where it forages in leaf litter for food. In the trees, this chameleon is always looking out for predators. If its branch is shaken or moved, it will drop to the ground like a piece of dead wood and stay still until the threat is gone. Cute as a saw-whet owl. With their huge bright eyes and teeny stature, saw-whet owls are the cutest things on wings in the forest. No stranger to awesome adaptations, all owls share a superpower. Their wings are almost completely silent in flight. Specialized feathers reduce noise, first by dispersing turbulence. When the downy feather's edges absorb the remaining noise, that's one stealthy bird. Cute as a hummingbird bobtail squid. It's a vibrant rainbow of colors, but the hummingbird bobtail squid spends most of its time hiding, right before your eyes. Shimmying and shifting, it uses its arms and tentacles to cover itself with loose sand on the ocean floor, leaving only its eyes exposed. Once hidden, it stays protected from predators and waits to pounce on unsuspecting prey. Cute as a fennec fox. This big-eared cutie may be adorable, but the fennec fox is perfectly adapted to its environment. Those giant 6-inch ears help this creature survive some of the hottest regions on Earth by radiating extra body heat to keep the fox cool. Their ears are also remarkable hunting tools. By tilting its head in different directions, the fennec fox can pinpoint small animals moving under the sand. One quick dig and dinner is served. The science of cute. Have you ever thought about what makes a certain animal cute? Believe it or not, cuteness could be a survival strategy. Scientists believe that animals with large eyes and high foreheads, rounded faces, small noses, and plump bodies appear especially cute to us. It's possible we think these traits are cute because we see them in our own human babies. Humans need to take care of their babies for a long time, and some scientists believe that cute babies help us develop a bond with our offspring. Do wild animals see their kids as cute? More research is needed to answer this question. Animators and illustrators think about what's cute every day. They design characters to be as cute as possible so you will like them more. Try examining animals in this book. Which seems the cutest to you? What features does it have? What is the least cute animal in the book? Does this surprise you? What about your own favorites that didn't make it into the book? What features do they share? Grab a pencil and paper and try drawing your version of a cute animal. Use the traits you think are cutest from the examples on the previous page or from the animals you found in the book. Compare your creation with real-life animals or one that a friend or classmate has drawn. How do your cute creations differ? Which is cutest? Can you pinpoint the traits that make you think this way? We are more likely to help cute animals and protect their homes in the wild. Do you think that's fair? I hope you enjoyed this book, Cute as an Axolotl.